Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rajesh and I am again with you with my next video lecture. In this video lecture we will study the problem based upon the previous article that we studied about the resultant of concurrent forces, any number of concurrent forces acting at a particular concurrent means acting at a point. So we have determined the resultant, the magnitude as well as the direction. So now that concept will be used over here in this problem. So now let us study the problem. Forces P minus Q, P plus Q act at a point in a direction parallel to the sides of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral means triangle that is having all sides equal, taken in order. Find their resultant. Let us draw an equilateral triangle. This is the horizontal side. And the vertices of the triangle are named as A, say B and C, and the forces are taken in order. These are the forces taken in the order, and you can take any of the forces along this horizontal direction. So let me take this force P minus Q along it. Second is P taken in the same order, P plus Q. So these are the forces given to be acting along the sides of equilateral triangle taken in the same order. Now can these sides be written something like, along this one I have drawn the sides, this one parallel. Okay, so you can see BC, this is parallel to BC, and along CA can I draw this side. Now look, this side is parallel to this one, so I have taken something like that, and this side, along this side, can I take it like this? Okay, and if I show the direction, these are the directions, and these are the forces. Write the same forces. This is P minus Q, this is P, and this one is P plus Q. Now say the concurrent point at which these forces are acting is O, are acting at a point, and so that is the concurrent point O. Okay, so if I resolve, say this is X, horizontal direction. So if I resolve, and you know this is equilateral triangle, if this is an equilateral triangle, so what is this angle? Yeah, can you give me any idea that what is this angle? This angle is 60 degree. What is this angle? This angle is 60 degree. And what is this angle? This angle is also 60 degree. So now we have to see the angle between P minus Q and P. For this I have to extrapolate this line, further extrapolate. So now I am going to extrapolate this line and see this angle, and this angle is, if angle over line we know is 180 degree, so this angle will be 60 is this one, so this angle will be 120 degree. So this angle is 120 degree. So angle between P minus Q and P minus Q and P is 120 degree. Fine. Now let us see angle between P plus Q and P. This is in this direction, so take the forces away from this point. This force is away from the point, but this is coming in, so I am going to extrapolate it again, and I am extrapolating in white color. Okay, so what is this angle? Now this angle will once again be over line 180 degree. This is 60, so this will be 120 degree. 120 degree. So angle between P plus Q and P is 120 degree. Similarly, this is coming out of point B and this is converging, so I have to extrapolate this one. So done. So over a line, angle is, so again draw it so that it is straight. Fine. Now it is straight. Now this angle is 60 degree. So this angle over line is 180 total angle. So this will be 120 degree. So this angle will be 120 degree. Fine. So if I say this angle is 120 degree. Now let us say R is their resultant. Say R is their resultant. This is their resultant, making an angle theta. Fine. And in this direction, this is R. So now resolving the forces along the horizontal direction, and from the previous theorem we know that the resolved part of sum of the resolved part of all the forces along the horizontal direction will be equal to sum of the resolved part of all the forces along the same horizontal direction. Now resolved part of R along the horizontal direction will be R and cos of the angle. The angle is theta, so it will be, now let me write resolving forces along horizontal direction. Now firstly R, when resolved along the horizontal direction, it will give R cos theta. Fine. And this is equal to P minus Q when resolved along the horizontal direction. As it is acting along the horizontal direction, so it will be making angle 0. So P minus Q, you can enclose in the braces cos 0 degree plus P along making an angle 120 degree along horizontal component will be P cos 120 degree plus P plus Q, and it will be angle, this is 120, this is 120. So the total angle measured in the anticlockwise sense, because we have to take the angle in the anticlockwise sense. So this whole angle is in the anticlockwise sense, and it is 240. This angle is 240 degree. Done. So it will be cos 240 degree. Angle are to be measured in the anti-clockwise sense. This is also in the anti-clockwise sense, and this angle 120 degree. If I again plot it from here, this angle is 240 degree. Done. Now take the direction perpendicular to the horizontal, that is vertical direction. I have taken the vertical direction. Now resolving the forces along OY, that is the direction perpendicular to horizontal. Resolving forces along OY. So you know, in this case you just simply, instead of cos, you will write sine, because that direction is perpendicular to horizontal. Sine 0 plus P sine 120 degree plus P plus Q sine 240 degree. Done. So now I will be solving this one. This will be R cos theta is equal to cos 0 is 1, so it will be P minus Q. Then P cos 120 is cos minus cos 60, and you know cos minus cos 60 is minus 1 by 2, plus P plus Q cos 220 is cos 180 plus 60, so it will be minus cos 60, so it will be minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to P minus Q minus P by 2 minus P by 2 minus Q by 2. So this will cancel out. So we are left with minus 3 Q by 2. This is R cos theta. And name this equation as equation number 1. Similarly, now solve this one. R sin theta, sin 0 is 0, P sin 120 is sin 60 degree, and sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, plus P plus Q, and sin 240 degree you know is minus sin 60 degree, and it is root 3 by 2. So this will be root 3 by 2 P plus it will be minus root 3 by 2 P minus root 3 by 2 Q. This will cancel out. So we are left with minus root 3 Q by 2, and name this equation as 2. Scaling and adding 1 and 2 will get R square is equal to 9 Q square by 4 plus square of this will be 3 Q square by 4. It will be 12 Q square by 4. It will be 3 Q square. So R will be root 3 Q. So this is the magnitude of the resultant. Now to find the direction, what will do? You will divide 2 by 1. What will get? You will get R sin theta divided by R cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2 Q divided by 3 Q by 2. This is minus to minus will cancel, root Q to Q will cancel, so we are left with 1 by root 3. So this R to R will cancel out. Now this will make tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So now you have to see the angle. Cos is negative, sine is also negative. Cos and sine both are negative only in third quadrant. So theta will go into third quadrant, and you know tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 at 30 degree, but it will go into the third quadrant, so it will be pi plus 30 degrees pi by 6. So it will be 7 pi by 6. So this angle will be 7 pi by 6. So if I again plot it, so it will be something like this. Resultant will be at an angle 7 pi by 6 means in degree, if I write it as 210, this angle is 180 and 30. So the resultant will be here. Actual position will be this one of the resultant. Okay, and it is making an angle 210. So this angle is 210 and this angle is 120 degree. So if I donate it over here, that this angle is 210 and this angle which this P is making is 120 degree. So this angle is 120 degree. So when we subtract 120 out of 210, so this will give 90 degree. So this resultant R is making an angle 90 degree with P. So if I could write it over here, that R is making 210 with, it is P minus Q. You have to mention it so that you could, and if you want to see its angle with P, we have I have shown you here, it is 90 degree because this is 120 degree. So total angle is 210, so it will be 90 degree. R inclined at 90 degree with P. So anyway you could write the answer. The answer given in the book is this one. This answer is also right, but in this case you have to write the R is inclined at 210 with, you have to mention the direction P minus Q. Both answers are correct. I have shown you both answers, so both are correct. So that is important question. We have find the resultant. Resultant find means its magnitude have been determined, root 3 by root 3q, and its direction theta have been determined, that is 210 with P minus Q or 90 degree with P. So this question is very important from examination point of view. That's all I have from this lecture. And if you have liked the lecture, please like, subscribe, share and comment. I will be back with you with my next video lecture. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep studying. Thank you, and thank you for watching.